I'm just going to show you how to use the Pinboard. If we go to the Tools menu and we have the Pinboard here, and it opens up in a new window, and we can resize that window any size we like. So this is a whiteboard where I can put notes on it. I can put small notes on it, or I can put larger ones. Oops. I can change the color of these ones. And then I can move them around. We've got 3 tabs here. One's for notes, one's for resources, and the other one's for tasks. And you can move these around. These can change those to whatever title you'd like. You can also add another row or subtract one. And so if I wanted to add one, and then I go done, and then I'll just change that back to do. So any way you'd like to do this, this is just for decoration. You can invite people to come onto your board. You just copy this URL and give that to someone, and then they will come on and they can put their name on here. You can see that that's me, and you can then work on this together. The idea of this Pinboard is to enable you to actually create some notes and tasks, and it's related to this specific section and not another section. And this section is actually just called body.